Welcome. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We aim to create a comprehensive and engaging exploration of AI, highlighting both its potential and its limitations. Let's get started.
So what exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. The history of AI dates back to the mid-20th century, with early pioneers like Alan Turing. Over the decades, AI has evolved through various phases, from symbolic AI to machine learning and deep learning. It's been quite a journey, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface.
AI is making waves in many industries. In healthcare, for instance, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, personalized medicine, and even robotic surgeries. It's really transforming how we approach patient care.
Absolutely. And it's not just healthcare. AI is also enhancing education through personalized learning experiences, optimizing transportation with autonomous vehicles, and improving customer service with advanced chatbots. The applications are virtually limitless.
Now, let's explore the benefits of AI. One of the most significant advantages is increased efficiency. AI systems can process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, far surpassing human capabilities. This leads to improved decision-making, as AI can analyze patterns and predict outcomes with high accuracy. Additionally, AI is driving advancements in research, opening new frontiers in science and technology. The potential benefits are immense, and we're just beginning to see the impact. So let's talk about the potential risks and challenges associated with AI. You know, things like job displacement, privacy concerns, and those tricky ethical dilemmas. These are real issues we need to address as AI continues to evolve.
It's crucial to emphasize the importance of responsible AI development. We really need ethical guidelines to ensure that AI benefits everyone and doesn't cause harm. This means thinking carefully about how we design, deploy, and regulate AI systems.
Looking ahead, the future of AI is incredibly exciting. It has the potential to revolutionize so many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation, and even how we interact with each other. But we must be mindful of the impact it could have on society and work towards a future where AI serves the greater good.
We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and opinions on the future of AI in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on technology and innovation. Thanks for watching.